Hey, I just want to let you know, let's jump this thing right off, okay? So this video is going to be unfiltered, no filters, and unedited. So we're going to get straight to the point. So the focus of this video today is I want to catch y'all while I can catch y'all, because if you've been following my page, you know I speak highly on the Her Fantasy Box collection, right? So right now, normally the bundle that they have is over $200. Right now, it's over 78% off and free shipping. So we're going to get into some of the items, and like I said, this is going to be unedited, so we're going to get straight to it. So the Her Fantasy Box bundle collection is a feminine hygiene line that's all natural. So we're going to start with the internal deodorizer, which is also known as the chlorophyll capsules, and this is what the bottle looks like. And this is the Her Fantasy Box Body Magic, and it is the chlorophyll capsules, and it is an internal deodorizer that freshens you from inside and out. So it's supposed to give you fresh breath, it's supposed to give you fresh downstairs, and it's supposed to give you fresh underarms if you sweat, blah, 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 straight to the point. So if you've been seeing this is what the capsules look like. And you can open these and put them in water. So these are chlorophyll tablets, and chlorophyll capsules, and they are all natural. And this comes with a quantity of 30. It is a dietary supplement, and you do take once a day. And I'm not making any medical claims for any of these products. I'm just going to give you my own personal experience. Can I tell you if this works? I'm not sure, because I don't stink. I don't know. You don't necessarily have to stink to use them. I haven't really been checking for it to see if my breath is fresher or if my underarms don't stink. I don't know, because I shower a couple times a day. I brush my teeth, I floss, and I use my mouthwash. So, and I put on deodorant. But if you are into chlorophyll, this will be for you. And then also, as you can see, this is completely gone, but this is the slippery box. It's supposed to give you natural moisture. It says it helps relieve dryness. You don't have to have issues down there to take this. And it is naturally increases moisture. It says fun without friction, playing in the park. And it's 100% organic herbs. So you're supposed to start off by taking 2 a day for the first week, and then once a day just for like maintenance. And this is a quantity of 60. That's what this comes with. And you can take this. I know that, I guess, like women that are going through hormonal imbalances, menopause, things that suffer from dryness down there, this may help with that. And again, this is all natural, so this is worth trying. And it also helps with playing in the park. Moving on. Now, this one I really like. It's the Fresh and Clean for a balanced and healthy pH by Her Fantasy Box. And it helps fight odor and supports vaginal health. Now, I like this one because, you know, anytime you come off your cycle, you just want to feel extra fresh. Because I don't feel like a bath, a shower, anything cleaning, I don't think, you know, that does enough for me. So I want to feel fresh. So I usually do this for about 2 to 3 days, and these are like the boric acid capsules. These are vaginal suppositories, and it gives you fast relief. And so you insert these into your vagina. You do not put these in your mouth orally. So these are boric acid tablets or capsules, and this is also by Her Fantasy Box. And then moving right along, this is one of the newer items. This is the Her Fantasy Box Fresh Berry Everywhere deodorant. So it comes out like a cream, and this is what it looks like. Now, this has probiotics in it. It said it fights odor, bacteria, and naturally absorbs moisture and helps to even skin tone. So I have issues like in my T-zone. You can see like I have seborrheic dermatitis. I've self-diagnosed myself with that. But like around my hairline, normally I'll start peeling, and then right here in my T-zone. So like I said, no filter on here, so you can kind of see what my face actually looks like. You really can't see on here, but I have some dry and red spots here. And this normally helps. It burns a little bit when you first apply it, but it soothes it and it smooths it out. And like I said, I put it on my face because it has a probiotic in it. And if you know what seborrheic dermatitis, I cannot say that right for nothing. I think that's like an it's like fungus or I don't know, bacteria, I think. I can't remember. But this helps with that, and it smells really good. It has a, as it says, a fresh berry smell, and you can use this underneath your arms. You can use it in between your thighs. You can just put it on your like arms just to smell good. Some people don't like the smell. I actually love the smell because it really smells like berries to me. And then probiotics. I swear by probiotics. Now, a lot of you, if you watch my previous videos, I tried some like Meyer brand probiotics. And then I tried the Euro vaginal probiotics. Now, a lot of you love the Euro vaginal probiotics. Me personally, I can't say too much about it. I think that they may cause me headaches. I'm not 100% sure. I do still vouch for them because a lot of people love them and they say it helps with their play in the park area. Let me show you what those look like. Oop, sorry. So this is what the Euro vaginal probiotics look like. But for the sake of this video, we're talking about the Her Fantasy Box probiotics. Now, me personally, like I said, I think the Euro might be too strong for me, is why I possibly might get a headache. But I'm not 100% sure, but I don't take these anymore. So I have been taking the Healthy Box probiotics by Her Fantasy Box, and I really like these. And this comes with a quantity of 30, and you take them once a day. I really don't know what to say much about these. I just like them. Like, I don't know, when I've been taking these for a couple weeks now, and it just makes me, I don't know, I just haven't had any side effects, no headaches, and just feel good. I don't know, I like them. I like these. And last but not least, now this is not everything that come in the bundle, because I personally also have tried the Refresh Minty Refresh Gel Wash. I really like that. Now I have to restock on that one, but that one smells so good. And if you have tried the Honey Pot herbal pads, and you know how it give you that minty feel down there. A lot of people don't like it, but I love it. It gives you that minty feel down there. That's what the Her Fantasy Box Refresh Gel Wash does. It's peppermint, and it gives you a fresh, clean feeling down there. And it also comes with a yummy shower gel as well. But the last item that I have, this is my third bottle. This is the #1 item that I absolutely love. Now, this is the Renew Her Oil. So this is supposed to fade dark marks. It provides moisture in your private areas, and it reduces ingrown hairs. Now, I freaking love this. Now, I'm not a fan.